Hey there, hello there, everyone. I am Shut Up James, and welcome to another movie reaction. In fact, today we are watching two films: the award-winning short film from 2022, Knock, and the follow-up, Knock 2, that just premiered seconds ago. I am very excited. Both of these films are written by, directed by, edited by, and starring Zach Valentine, with music by Julian Tejeda. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Now, Zach Valentine, besides being an amazing human being and individual, is a very talented creator. So I'm excited to rewatch the first one, get into part two. Oh, and they're short. They're very short. If you want to watch them alone first, click the links down below or up above. Before I go any further, though, if you love watching scary movies, then you should probably subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications. That way you can be reminded of when I do these ridiculous things. For early access to my videos and extra perks, click the join button. If you want to make your own movie requests, you tell me what to watch and I have to watch it. Check out my Patreon, the link is down below. But without further whatever, let's watch these movies. 3, 2, 1, play. Bitch. I'm gonna ask him, what were you actually typing here? Typing is so loud. The loud typing gives me anxiety. This music is fantastic. It's so dark though. I'm looking behind him. You need a peephole. Don't let it in. I thought like a hand was gonna come from behind. That was already enough time that the evil got in. The evil got in. Yeah. You son of a bitch. The thing is, I remember what it looks like, but I don't remember when or where it appears. Oh, it wasn't inside, but it let itself in. Run. Run with two ends. That's it, right? We're not gonna get like a big jump thing at the end. I love that it is a ghost sheet situation with blood eyes and a big blood smile. That sounds so like, oh, of course, but I've never seen that before. The music is there in all the right moments. It's only 3 minutes long, but it builds just enough suspense. And usually there's a big jump at the end. And so I kind of love that there wasn't. Like it just sits on the visual of the ghost thing behind him. Oh my gosh, that was great. Okay, that was part one. Take a moment if you need to. And we're going to jump right into Knock. 2. It's like only a couple seconds longer than the first film was, and I don't know if this is going to take place immediately after, or I mean, it's been 2 years, maybe it takes place 2 years later. I just, you know what? It's not my business to guess. We're going to get into the thing in 3, 2, 1. Is it right after? I have to lower it. That's 2. Well, his hair is dark now and his hair was light before, so this is after. It's 2 years later, if I would just pay attention. Look at him. Gorgeous. And traumatized. The wet hair is a vibe. Oh no, don't do this. Listen, girlie, take your meds. It's a very cute light. Turn around faster, turn around faster. See, I'd be like... You're not gonna sneak up on me, bitch. Is it behind you? Oh no, it's outside again. Why does it even knock first if it's gonna kick open the door anyway? Oh my god. Period. This bitch was ready. Don't do this. Careful, don't stab a stranger in the face. Oh my god! Oh, there's more. He's in there now. Film by Zach Valentine. And music is still Julian, correct? Oh, sound effects. But music by... I love this piano moment right now, too. Wow. Oh, that was so good. So, it's funny, I said I don't always love when there's a jump at the end of the movie, and I loved that the first one did that, but I really love that the second one did the jump at the end. How, like... Okay, so, hi. To make a 4-minute movie that somehow has, like, character development from the first movie, it was giving Laurie Strode in 2018, except it only took him 2 years to get the shit done. It took her 40. There was tons of misdirection, so all the scares landed. I was creeped out thoroughly from go. The second one is even better than the first, and he has told me he has an idea for a third. I am ready. I don't think it's gonna come anytime soon. This one took 2 years and I want him to get it right, and I know he's going to. So we did it. We watched the 2022 film Knock, and the award-winning film, by the way, and the 2024 short film follow-up, Knock 2. If you're not already following Zach on all the social medias, his links will be down below. I talk to him all the time. He is a fantastic human being, but I am really excited for the third. And this is stupid because the poster for Knock 2 is actually the silhouette of the thing in the sheet of Knock, right? I guess that's what we're gonna call it, facing sideways, and it still caught me off guard when the bitch showed up. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. Let me know what you thought of these films, and if there are any other great short films I should check out. I am Shut Up James. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.